and put Tyvek house wrap on our house. Don't touch my back. Patrick has been holding down the fort, not only doing his duties, but mine for the last 10 days. I took a spill, I wrenched my back, and I'm just today able to walk outside. So you're going to see me walk even worse than I normally do, because I can barely hold myself up at this point, but I'm going to help him as much as I can. But we have to house wrap this. I can do that. This is going to give me peace of mind. I don't know how much this one roll will last.
I'm just going to go a little extra, not much.
Not much, please, yeah. How straight?
Let's go to this line.
How straight do you need me to hold it, like that? Oh, here, I can do it with my foot.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I don't have to bend. Okay. This makes me so happy. I'm just very happy to have it. Yeah. I'm one of those weird girls. Yay! 3 more rows and we'll be done with this. Okay. Look, gotta do this to the.
Get too close to the door because we're going to take it out.
Yeah, we have to caulk it in. We haven't done it yet. We've got caulk now.
Okay, so we're going to start another one?
Yeah, but I have to stay down off of a ladder.
You want to sit down for a little bit?
No, I'm surprisingly doing well. So let's do it while I'm well. Do you need a ladder?
Here's where it's going to get tricky.
Yeah, but I'll have to stand down here and hold it up as high as I can.
Yeah.
You'd be standing on the generator. Whatever works. Pee on my face. Uh-oh.
Got the bang with me.
Oh. You'll have to get on the ladder. Day 2, we had nothing but horrible wind, and it was just absolutely a nightmare trying to get this stuff up. And so I knew I was not going to be able to get on a ladder. So after this last piece, we asked my daughter to come over and give us a hand, and she was happy to do that, but it was a bear in this wind. It doesn't look that windy right now, but it was horrible. So here comes Jen. And we said heck with this after we got this, you know, this piece up, but it was absolutely stupid, and we called it a day after this piece. Four days later, because it blew like a son of a gun for 4 days, and we were determined to get this thing done, and we did. I am thrilled to have this place buttoned up with house wrap. What about you?
I'm glad it's over with. Well, we still have about 15 and a half feet to go.
Yeah, we ran out.
We ran out, so
Yeah.
we need another roll for the shed anyway, so.
Yeah. So it's only $33 a roll.
Yeah.
And so that's...
And one roll, finish that up, and the sheds.
And the shed, yeah.
So.
But that's okay. It's okay to have things left over.
Mm-hmm.
Now, we took our time because of the wind was really horrible.
Yeah.
There were 3 days in a row. There was no way Patrick could get up on that ladder, especially by himself, because I'm kind of useless right now, like normal.
She's broken.
Very broken, but I am able to move now. Thank God. My gosh, it's been horrible. But anyway, we thought it made more sense to start buttoning up everything instead of working on stuff in the house. Well, that didn't make sense until everything is completely dried in to where it's highly unlikely before we get the siding on that we'll have a problem.
Right.
Now.
Yeah.
We've caulked everything. We've house wrapped everything, and we're going to do the tape off camera. No point in showing you boring stuff like
just
taping.
Taping the seams.
Yeah, we're just going to tape the seams. And we do have it. What else? Oh, the other thing is we have not put the tin on the roof because we're buying tin every month. When we get all the tin, we'll do the roof. But until then, we do not want to ruin our investment of OSB up there. And it does have what is that called? The ridge cap.
Ridge cap, there you go. Oh
gosh, it escaped me. I couldn't think of it. We're going to paint the roof.
Yeah, just
to preserve the OSB until we get all the tin and can do the
complete roof.
The complete roof. And because I probably will not be able to go up a ladder
no.
at this point now ever again. Yeah. And I think we're going to do a Q&A pretty soon because we've been asked questions and we know how we live and we know how it looks to other people. We look insane.
Probably
to other people that would not tolerate no running water, would not heat water for their anything on a stove or whatever. People just simply would not go without things for this long like we have for the dream that we have. We are happy, just so you know. This is something we chose to do, you guys. We weren't forced to live out in the middle of nowhere. This thing has cost us $80,000 to, so it's not like we're destitute, but we are doing it on a budget.
Yeah.
And we're putting up with certain things. Guys, thank you for joining us. We appreciate you. And if you realize that we're not posting every week, just realize that we can't be held to a schedule. It just does not work for us.
More's on the way.
Yeah.
We can say that.
Yeah. But we will do the very best we can do. Some weeks we'll have 2 videos out. Some weeks we'll skip. Some weeks we'll have 1 video out. But we're just not going to be held to a time schedule because it doesn't work for us this way.
It doesn't.
So we appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe. We would love to have you. And give us a like. If you like our videos, give us a like. Share it if you feel like you need to or want to. We would appreciate that. And until we're together again, if you have to.
And you might. Hunker down.